Take out your head.
Take out your head.
Take out your head for a while. Wow, video. Okay, guys, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hey guys, 19th of May 2017. You're going to
Westin.
Westin by
Westin.
Oh no, for interview. Diploma in Hotel Management.
P700.
Yeah.
700 days.
This is our captain.
No. We all are captain.
He is our boss. No. He's our manager. And that man our manager. Anything else? Any supervisor? And this one supervisor. Secretary.
Vice president.
You are a fat man.
তুমি তো তাই ভাই তোমার যে মতলব খারাপ তা আমি জানি
আপনি সাবধানে থাকেন।
Sexy man.